Hello friends, so today we are going to learn names of reports published by organization. Report on Asian Development Outlook published by Asian Development Bank. Global Financial System Report published by Banks for International Settlements. Global Money Laundering Report by FATF, Financial Action Task Force. Indian State of Forest Report is published by Forest Survey of India. Change in the world list data. Change in the world list data is published by Fortune. Technical Cooperation Report is published by IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. Technical Cooperation, International Atomic Energy Agency. Okay. Nuclear Technology Review is also by IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. Ease of Doing Business is published by World Bank. Okay, Ease of Doing Business is published by World Bank, and World Development Report is also published by World Bank. And the full form of IBRD is the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay, it's also known as World Bank. Okay, and the last is 10th is Safety Reports. It is published by ICAO, means International Civil Aviation Organization. Safety Civil Aviation. Okay, now next organization is Global Hunger Index Report, which is published by IFPRI, International Food Policy Research Institute. International Food Policy Research Institute. Global Hunger Index by Food Policy Research Institute. World Social Protection Report, Social Protection International Labour Organization. Okay, World Employment and Social Outlook, it is also by International Labour Organization. World of Work Report is also by International Labour Organization, and Global Wage Report by International Labour Organization. Okay, so social protection, employment and social outlook for work and for wage are by International Labour Organization. Okay, Global Financial Stability Report is by IMF, International Monetary Fund. Global Financial Stability Report is by IMF, International Monetary Fund. And World Economic Outlook also by IMF. Okay, World Economic Outlook also by IMF. Now, Global Innovation Index by Cornell University, INSEAD, and the World Intellectual Property Organization. Okay, three organizations. Then World Energy Outlook, WEO, World Energy Outlook by International Energy Agency, International Energy Agency, and it also publishes Southeast Asia Energy Outlook, Southeast Asia Energy Outlook by International Energy Agency. Okay, now this next is 21st, that is OPEC Monthly Oil Market Report, which is published by OPEC, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. World Oil Outlook also by OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now, World Happiness Report, World Happiness Report by Sustainable Development Solutions Network, Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Global Corruption Report by Transparency International, Corruption, Transparency, Corruption, Transparency. Levels and Trends in Child Mortality Report, Levels and Trends in Child Mortality Report by United Nations Interagency Group, United Nations Interagency Group. Next, World Investment Report, UNCTAD, Investment, UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Actions on Air Quality, Actions on Air Quality, UNEP, Air Quality Environment Program. Global Environment Outlook also by UNEP. The Rise of Environmental Crime, UNEP plus Interpol. Rise of Environmental Crime, UNEP and Interpol. Okay, Global Education Monitoring Report, Global Education Monitoring Report by UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Education Monitoring by UNESCO. Okay, now the next is 31st, State of the World Population by UNFPA, United Nations Population Fund. Okay, World Cities Report by UN Habitat, Cities Report, Habitat. The Global Report, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, UNHCR for Global Report. Report on Regular Resources, Regular Resources, UNRWA, United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, means UNICEF. Okay, regular resources UNICEF. The state of the world's children's reports also by UNICEF. Reports on counterfeiting and organized crime by United Nations Inter-Regional Crime and Justice Research Institute. Okay, UNICRI. Okay, Industrial Development Report by United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Global Assessment Report by United Nations Officer for Disaster Risk Reduction. For disaster risk reduction by assessment report. Okay, Global Report on Trafficking in Persons. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. UNODC, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Last, World Drug Report also by United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. And then last 6 are World Wildlife Crime Report also by United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. World Wildlife also by United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. Okay. Global Information Technology Report by World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum. Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report. World Economic Forum. Global Competitiveness Report. World Economic Forum. Okay. World Intellectual Property Report. Intellectual property by World Intellectual Property Organization. Okay. The Energy Report and Living Planet Report. The Energy Report and the Living Planet Report by WWF, that is World Wildlife Fund. Okay. World Wildlife Fund. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if I have skipped any of the organization, please comment down below. Okay. Thank you.